Hello guys, welcome to Spyro 365. Today I am going to show you how to create grid in another way. First of all, we'll create a sequence and insert our footage into the sequence. After that, we'll turn the ruler option. We can drag and down from up to down to create horizontal lines, and we'll create vertical lines from the left to right. We can change the color by pressing right click, select the color, and also we can change the position of the guide too. Can show or hide the guide from the setting option of the program monitor. So that's how we can create a grid for our footage. This would be helpful when we are creating photo slideshow. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro.